Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs here. Well, this is my 2021 Cfmoto Cforce 1000. What we're going to do is its first oil change. So I picked up an oil change kit through Cfmoto Canada. I believe this is around $80 plus tax. So in the kit we have 3 liters of 5W30 fully synthetic oil, your oil filter, your washers and O-rings, and I believe this is one of the little scarf things that go around your neck, so it's a little extra bonus. So when you go underneath of the ATV, you're going to have this large opening right here, and that's going to be your oil drain right there. It's a 19 millimeter, so make sure you have your oil pan bucket close. Alright, so that's done draining. So you're going to want to wipe off the surface to make sure it's nice and clean before you reinstall your drain plug. And I like to wipe out inside the filter housing to make sure it's nice and clean, and also clean around your mating surface. And you're going to put your filter in. The big hole goes on the inside. Push it in until it stops. Again, make sure your surface is clean. And we're going to reinstall the oil filter cover. Next thing we're going to do is pull out the dipstick tube, and we're going to put 2 liters of oil in it. So you can remove the dipstick and wipe it clean. And that is perfect. It's right on the line. Line's right there. That's the full. And the cover's all on. I'm just going to clean up a little bit of oil spillage I had on the floorboard. And it's very, very simple to do. The biggest thing is don't over torque your oil filter housing, the 3 bolts, as well as your drain plug. They don't need to be put on He-Man strength. And again, this was my first break-in oil change. Again, it has 577 kilometers on it. The next thing I'm going to do is actually change the front and the rear diff fluids. on the ATV. That way, I'm going to consider that my break-in diff oil change also.